Hello students, how are you? Welcome again in EVS classes. In previous video, we have discussed about hot weather. Today, we will know more about other weathers. Kids, tell me one thing. Do you like to have hot drinks all the time? Of course not. Then, when do you like to have hot drinks? Yes, in cold weather. So kids, our today's topic is cold weather. Let's start our topic. So when the days and nights are chilly, then it is called cold weather. It means जब दिन और रात में काफी ठंड होती है, then we can say it is cold weather. In these days, we feel very cold and like to stay warm and also like to sit around the fire. During this time, people enjoyed bright warmth of the sun. It means cold weather में लोग sunlight को enjoy करते हैं और उसमें रहना पसंद करते हैं. इस weather में temperature काफी down हो जाता है जिससे हमें ठंड लगती है. कोल्ड वेदर में लोग स्पेशल फूड ही प्रिफर करते हैं, जैसे लोग हॉट ड्रिंक्स लाइक कॉफी, टी इसे ही पीना ज्यादा पसंद करते हैं क्योंकि इट कीप्स पीपल वार्म. इन दिस वेदर पीपल फील कोल्ड. दैट्स व्हाई वी कांट वेयर कॉटन क्लॉथ्स. इन दीज डेज वी प्रिफर warm or woolen clothes, and we know we get wool from sheep. Woolen clothes protect us from cold wind. So kids, we should wear sweater, cap, gloves, scarf and socks, etc. It keeps our body warm. And also kids, in these days, people like to stay under the quilt और ब्लैंकेट क्योंकि वेदर हमारा ठंडा हो जाता है जिस वजह से हमें गर्मी चाहिए होती है. That's why people like to stay under the blanket. So kids, I hope you enjoyed today's content. Let's go for the practice. Your first sentence is the cold weather is dash and your options are hot, rainy, chilled, none of these. And the correct answer is chilled. Hot, the cold weather is chilled. Your next sentence is we prefer dash in cold weather. And your options are hot drinks, cold drinks, chilled drinks, none of these. And the correct answer is hot drinks. People prefer hot drinks in cold weather. Your next sentence is in cold weather, we feel dash. And your options are hot, warm, cold, none of these. And your correct answer is cold. In cold weather, we feel cold. Your next sentence is in which weather do you like to wear woolen clothes? And your options are hot, cold, rainy, stormy. And your correct answer is cold. So kid, there is a homework for you. You have to do it yourself. And the homework is, what do you like to do in cold weather? Write 3 points. So kids, now we end this video here and we'll meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.